Today on PowerNation Daily, an 8-year-old girl saves herself from a carjacking. This dub race for NASCAR is going to make you laugh, even if you don't like NASCAR. What's next for Fiat Chrysler after Marchionne's gone? Roush has bumped their 2018 Mustang GT to 700 horsepower, and how Yamaha is keeping public land open to four-wheelers and dirt bikes. It all happens right here, right now on PowerNation Daily. What's up, everybody? I'm Gannon Pritchett. Thanks for hanging with us. If you haven't stopped by our website, you better do it at PowerNationTV.com. But we have a lot to talk about, so let's get to talking. An 8-year-old girl and her 3-year-old brother were reunited with their father after a woman stole their car from a California parking lot, and she tried to drive it to Mexico, which is kind of crazy. They were in their family car with the AC blasting, and unfortunately the engine was running while their father was outside the car. He ran inside real quick, and some woman jumped in their car and drove away with the kids inside. A witness honked his horn to try to get the father's attention, and when he went outside to see his car leaving the parking lot, he called 911. And I hope he tried to chase the car down. Nonetheless, the police began combing the area. Meanwhile, the girl who was on her cell phone in the car bravely confronted the suspect and said, "Hey, the cops are coming, you better pull over," telling them that she didn't want to go to Mexico. I made up the last part, but I'm sure she didn't want to go to Mexico. The good news is she's safe. KNS reports that an officer contacted the Border Patrol and detained the woman shortly after that. Whew, that was a close one. So there's a dub version of a NASCAR race that, well, it's just good. Even if you don't like NASCAR, it still made me laugh. And I like NASCAR, and it still made me laugh. So if you listen to the whole thing, the giggling donut and the end crash alone make it worth it. Let us know in the comments what you think. You like it, you don't like it, you gotta like it, it's funny. Fiat Chrysler has been turned around by Sergio Marchionne over the last 14 years. But now with him stepping down, everyone's kind of scratching their head saying, what's gonna happen next? It's said it could be the end of an era. Now, FCA doesn't really plan on releasing any details before the investor meeting in June, but Auto News reports there is speculation of a merger. Marchionne said the FCA is strong enough to survive on its own, but there's still potential deals out there for Jeep, Alfa Romeo, and Dodge. Options include joining forces with companies like Ford, Volkswagen, or a number of even Chinese automakers. Now, I have a Ram, and I don't know if I feel comfortable with that. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Ford Ram, is that the new thing? If you're a fan of NASCAR, you know Roush knows how to get it done at the racetrack. So it's no surprise the new supercharger kit they debuted for the 2018 Mustang GT puts out some impressive numbers. Now, the already strong GT has 460 horsepower under the hood, but the 2.65-liter front feed blower adds 240 horsepower to the Coyote engine, and it whops up a nice 700 horsepower, 610 pound-feet of torque. Auto Week reports that the kit comes with installation hardware and performance calibration. However, if you want that 36,000-mile warranty, because you're probably going to need it if you're banging it off the chip, you have to go down to the ASC certified tech guy or a Roush authorized dealer and have them look it over. The kit runs about $7,700. Question is, would you buy it, or would you just do it yourself? I'd buy it. Yamaha has been doing its part when it comes to helping the off-road community in more ways than one. The Yamaha Outdoor Access Initiative has been working with volunteers across the country for the past decade to promote safe, responsible use of off-highway vehicles, along with educating people on recreational land use so people can have fun while they're not messing up all the parks out there. Nobody wants to see you mess up the park, but we definitely want to go out there and tear some stuff up. Since it's getting harder and harder to find places to go off-roading legally, Yamaha decided to step up to the plate and say, why not try to protect the land while still making it available to people who want to go out and play with their side-by-sides and snowmobiles? It makes sense, and they're actually putting their money where their mouth is because they spent $3 million doing it on over 300 projects in order to help build bridges and protect various riding areas and hunting areas. So if your club needs some money and you know a park that could use some help, reach out to Yamaha, OAI. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everyone. I'm Gannon Pritchett. Let us know what you want to see. Stop by our website at PowerNationTV.com for all the how-to that you can handle, and have a fantastic day. I'll see you guys down the road.